Now, this is how you can reset the home screen layout on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, you can do it like manually and just, click on it or hold down on the screen, go to edit mode, and just even get to the most right portion when you get like a brand new empty homepage and you can start fresh. But in order to reset and go back to the default layout, just check out the settings app where you'll be able to go to the general section. And at the bottom, you have the transfer or reset iPhone menu. You get there, don't obviously erase all content, just click on the reset, and many things you can reset, but we are naturally interested in the home screen layout. So that is the thing you gotta click on and confirm, and your apps will not be deleted as I say, but it will just be reorganized back to the original layout, the fresh out of the box one. So that is how you can do this. It's really simple. There isn't really much else that could go wrong. So let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. And if you are interested in these like straight to the point tutorials and quick ones like this, subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.